In this video, I intend to share with you information on surrogacy. Surrogacy is where an individual or a couple nominate another woman to give birth to a child on their behalf. This is not a new practice, having taken place for hundreds of years. However, over the last 20 years, surrogacy has become much more prominent, openly talked about and accepted as a way of helping people have a child. Surrogacy has opened up the opportunities for different family structures being able to have a child of their own. In the last 7 years, the recorded number of children born through surrogacy has more than doubled in numbers. Surrogacy can either involve the surrogate mother being implanted with an intended parent's egg and sperm, or with a surrogate using her own egg and a donor sperm. With different family structures, same-sex couples are able to have a child through surrogacy. In the majority of cases, surrogacy unfolds without any difficulties, and it is a smooth process for all, with the overwhelming feeling that the act of surrogacy is a gift from the surrogate to the intended parents for them to experience having their own child. However, sadly, there are examples where both the intended parents or the surrogate mother are treated poorly, giving rise to serious concerns to all involved, including the child. Surrogacy gives rise to ethical and legal issues, but at the heart of it is the well-being of the child, which has to come first. Surrogacy in the UK has been legal since 1985 and is regulated with rules and laws about what is and isn't permitted. For example, it's not permitted for a surrogate to be paid for having a child, although reasonable expenses such as medical fees can be paid for. Surrogates can't advertise that they offer surrogacy as a service. While setting out or recording the arrangements surrounding the surrogacy process in writing is permitted, any such record is not legally binding in the UK. When the child is born, the surrogate mother is the legal parent. To transfer the legal parenthood, an application to the court for a parental order has to be made. And when it is granted, the child becomes the legal child of the intended parents, and the surrogate at that point loses all legal rights in respect of the child. This is an important stage in the surrogacy process. If there are any disagreements about the child, the courts will make decisions based on what is in the best interests of the child. Surrogacy brings joy and happiness to individuals and couples who long for a child of their own. However, it can bring with it legal issues that have to be dealt with. Ince provides a full service for advising and representing clients who are either wanting to become parents or are the surrogate and are considering surrogacy or are already going through surrogacy. Whatever your circumstances, we have a specialist solicitor who will support, advise and represent you as you navigate the issues surrounding surrogacy. If you'd like further information, you can contact me by telephone, email or through the Ince social media platforms.